Hello everybody and welcome students. Today we are going to learn about our Earth's 5 spheres. So we do know what Earth is. It is what we live in. It is our lovely, lovely Earth, which contains obviously all of our life and our friends and our families. And here we have our little scientist to help us learn about the 5 spheres of Earth. We do love Earth. A little fun fact is that 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, which is pretty insane if you think about it, because imagine how much the ocean is and other life forms. It's pretty interesting. So our first sphere is the atmosphere. The atmosphere is what contains our clouds, the air, and all that surrounds our Earth pretty much. And here's a lovely picture of the atmosphere. It was taken at a park. You can see it in the beautiful sunset and our clouds looking up from above us. Then we have the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is what we consider the ocean, our lakes, our rivers, and everything we can think of that is water in our Earth. This was taken at Lake Elsinore, which is pretty cool considering it was also at sunset. You can see our lovely rocks there. And then we have the subsphere. A sub is pretty much another category for the hydrosphere. It is what we consider the cryosphere. The cryosphere is the icy part of our Earth, which is in Antarctica. It can be considered in Big Bear 2, which is where this picture was taken, and you can see a huge chunk of ice. It was carried by my little sister. She loved it, and she said, you know what, let's take a picture, which is pretty cool considering what she's holding. Next is our biosphere. Our biosphere is what we consider the life forms of our Earth, which is considered also plants, us, our families, our classmates, and it is pretty much going to be connected to every other sphere. The lithosphere, as you can see, the last sphere that we see, is the rocky part of our Earth. This was taken at the Grand Canyon, which you could see the layers of it in between all of those rocks, which is pretty cool since those are thousands and thousands of years old. If you have any more questions, obviously we can look more into it, but these are our 5 spheres. These 5 spheres is what we consider the whole thing of Earth. It is explained in each and every one of the sphere. It has a different function and it is used to be investigative. So as you see, our little scientist is trying to show you what the 5 spheres are so we can make more and more experiments and make sure what we know our Earth is.